To turn on or off a battery saver on a Realme Note 60, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, scroll down again, and then we should be able to find battery saver right here. You can activate it or deactivate it inside your quick access. We can click on the three dots in the top right corner if in case you can't see it in those icons, and then hit edit, scroll down and find battery saver. Make sure it's on the top right there. You can add it by clicking on the plus button. Now let me show you the other way you can do it, and it's inside of the settings. So let's pop them open. Then we can scroll down and select the battery, and right here we have battery saver. You can turn it on like this, or for example also use a schedule. That means you can schedule it based on percentage. If your battery, for example, right now reaches 55%, it will turn on automatically, and you can manage it however you like.